Guys, today I'm gonna make or cook picadillo soup. Okay, so first you need an oil, and ground beef, patis, tomato paste, water, cubes, pichay, black pepper, salt, and then the potatoes. Okay. We're gonna saute the garlic. 2 tablespoon garlic minced, and then 1/2 cup onions chopped, and then 250 grams beef, ground beef, lean. The patis, guys. Patis, 2 tablespoon patis. And tomato paste. I'm gonna mix, guys. And then we're gonna stir of water. For how many minutes? And we'll be right back. The beef bouillon, guys. And then we're gonna let it boil, and we'll be right back. So we're gonna add the potatoes. We add the potatoes, guys. So we let the potatoes cook first before we add the pichay. Okay, so we'll be right back. Those are already cooked, and then we're gonna add the pichay. And then black pepper, and then salt, hey guys. Okay, so we're gonna taste it. It's jack. Okay guys, so it's already cooked and it's tasting time. potatoes. Okay, that's enough because I cannot eat so much. Okay, guys. So that it will be shown. Okay. Look at that one. It's done and it's cooked. So it's tasting time. I'm gonna off the heat. Okay. It's yummy. And then the potatoes. It's yummy, guys. And then the pizza. It's super yummy. For recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bruja, to my Instagram, the_bro_jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and unsupporters, thank you for watching.